Alright, here I am at the Birch Aquarium trying to name things poorly. Okay, here we go. Lots and lots of fish. Anemones. Big slug guy. Squiggly friend and quarter. Even more fish. Small fish. Big fish. Big fish trying to eat small fish. Crab. Spiky pickle. Big jelly boy. Tiny jelly boy. Teeny tiny jelly boys. Chunky jelly boys. More rocky fish. Sea snake. Fat sand boy. Fish that looks like sheep. Even more tiny fish. Golden fishy. Yellow striped boy. Stingery flower. Tiny boy. Tiny shell boys. Very big fish. Underwater noodle. Sea snake. Dory look-alike. Tropical fish. Big fat fish buddy. Squishy sea bunny.